it right. We need to learn from Sanjay Kumar कि उन्होंने दिल्ली मॉडल ऑफ एजुकेशन उनके लीडर से बना है, एंड धर्मेंद्र कुमार जोशी जी, प्रोफेसर SCRT उदयपुर राजस्थान, एंड HB चंद्रशेखर जी, HDPI DSCRT गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, एंड Partha Pratim Acharya, OSD and in charge of curriculum syllabus section, SCRT Government of Tripura, and S. Rajendran ji, lecturer, State Training Center, Director of School Education, Puducherry. So I welcome all of the speaker for this session, and we need to start it. Chandram Sharma ji is not available now, so we'll invite Subhashish Chaudhary ji, Deputy Secretary, Tripura Board of Secondary Education, Agartala. And just now we heard SCRT Tripura, Assam. Now it's all about Tripura Board of Secondary Education, Agartala. So Subhashish ji. Subhashish ji is not there. He is joining. So Anjali Saini ji, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, Anjali Saini ji, please come. Yeah. Anjali Saini ji is the Deputy Secretary of Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education, and Himachal is Himalayan state, and the how to make climate convenient education we need to learn from Himachal. So Anjali ji, please.
Greetings to all eminent guests, and thanks to Mr. Virender Rana, founder of Green Mentor, for inviting Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education Dharamshala to speak in national conference in Mann Ki Baat in education. Himachal is situated in the lap of Himalayas. Its geographical conditions and topography is variant because of variation in altitude. Southern part is situated comparatively at lower altitude than the northern and eastern parts of the Pradesh. Because of this, there is a difference in the climatic condition of different parts of our state. Northern and eastern areas of the state generally have cold weather, but southern part, which is called as Shivalik region, is known for hot weather conditions. Broadly speaking, Himachal experiences 3 seasons: hot weather season, cold weather season, and rainy season. The climate conditions also affect education system in the state schools, which fall in cold areas, have different academic session than that of the schools situated in warm and hot areas. One of the foremost concern for the welfare of state is universal education. It gives me immense pleasure to acknowledge that enrollment ratio of the school, which are situated in cold areas, is almost the same as that of the other areas of Himachal Pradesh. There are regions where the people have nomadic habits, and during winter, such population descend down to lower parts of Himachal Pradesh during cold weather. However, the government of Himachal Pradesh has tried to map such people, and the children are being provided education through mobile schools. HP Board of School Education makes its earnest efforts to provide free textbooks and study material to all students, including migratory students, as per the policy of the government. And even during the COVID time, when it was very difficult to locate the students and to start the schools, we tried our best to distribute the textbook and study material to the students door to door. Apart from it, Himachal Pradesh Board of School Education has also started and strengthened state open schools to provide opportunity for all those students who could not enroll themselves in schools through regular mode due to one or the other reasons. Entire world is concerned about environment and climate changes. Hence, there is a need to make efforts for bringing awareness about climate and environment in the students and sensitize them as per the need of the hour about climate change. The academic content related to environmental awareness has been included in the syllabi. Apart from this, HP Board of School Education is doing specific work in this area by initiating some of the projects in school systems. Water conservation drive and tapping of solar green energy, Swachhta and beautification of the school campus are being pursued to provide practical learning to the students on the basis of variant climatic conditions of Himachal Pradesh. People of the state are known to possess specific skills. In cold areas where there is a heavy snowfall, people use the skills such as weaving woolen threads, raising sheep. Some areas are known for pottery work and painting, etc. And our education board and the government is making efforts to provide skills to the students through vocational and skill development subjects. During the period of Corona, because of lockdown, teaching in school remained restricted. Therefore, the department has made effort to provide education to the students through online mode. However, in the peripheral areas and at high altitude areas, there was a problem of internet connectivity. The Department of Education has tried to reach up to all such students through Doordarshan, and there were adequate teaching and learning sessions through television. Despite challenging terrain and extreme weather condition, Himachal Pradesh is providing climate convenient education through many ways with an objective to educate everyone in Himachal Pradesh at least up to the age of 18 years by providing suitable infrastructure and assure access to schools even in the remotest or coldest areas of the state. And as per the needs of the beneficiaries living in scattered settlement of rural areas as well as urban or developed areas of the state. So as we know that education policy which is being implemented in the country, and we have already announced the implementation of education policy in Himachal Pradesh. We are trying our level best, and we are hoping that this policy will surely make up all the things which we require and which we need to impart a good education to the students. Thank you.